Yeah, Wayne Barry, Stumpy's my nickname. Everybody knows me as Stumpy out fishing. Been fishing since I was saltwater in boats since I was 18, 60 now. Had this beautiful boat for the last 3.5 years. Before that I had a 5.9 Edencraft for 22 years. Just in my old age, my bones needed a bit softer ride, so I had to step up to a bigger model so I can travel further offshore. Trips out 85 to 110 k's off of Lake's entrance, out to Rocky and Greenlee Island off South Australia a couple of times in it. I going places where I haven't been before. What it's all about. 2 years ago I got a 192 kilo swordfish off of Lake's entrance, and this year we did 2 trips over there. The weather wasn't happy, we got out there, the water was all dirty and wrong. Yeah, if you're serious wanting to go way offshore, can't go past the 233 formula. Just renowned reliability, smoothness of ride, not bone crunching on your bones. A lot of people are amazed that I go fishing in this thing, trolling for tuna and stuff like that, and deep dropping, out in 450 metres off of Portland, off of Mount Gambier, off Lake's entrance. I've been out off Lake's entrance 5 times on my own, 85 plus k's. A good, solid, strong boat. I took 4 different lots of people for a ride today. Yeah, they couldn't believe the way it can run over the other boat wash, and they're all ready for it to bang, and it just goes over the top of it, and beautiful. They're all impressed.